Hello, children. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our section. Today, we are going to learn new letters. Children, I hope you all got our two aha letters. Our two aha letters. Today, we are going to learn kha, kha. We are going to learn letters kha, kha. Say everyone, children. Once again, ka, kha. See children here, these are the letters which we are going to learn today. Say once again children, ka, kha. Once again, ka, kha. Say ka, kha. See children, these letters comes after aha after. Aha letter after comes ka, kha. Children, let us see what are the examples of these letters. Say children here ka, ka kamalamu. Say everyone children, ka kamalamu. What is the example for letter ka? Kamalamu. What is the next letter ka after? Kha. Say louder children, kha. When we are saying, you should get the air, kha, kha. You should stress the letter. For letter kha. For letter kha. Say everyone children, kha. Khadgamu. Say children once again, kha. Kha khadgamu. What is the example for letter kha? Khadgamu. Say once again children, ka kamalamu. Kha khadgamu. Ka kamalamu. Kha khadgamu. See children, these letter comes after letter aha. After the letter aha comes ka, kha. See children, after the aha after ka, kha. Children, these are the letters which we are completed in last class. Say children once again all of you. A, E, U, aru, e, I, o, au, aha. Children, all of you read out. A, E, U, aru, e, I, o, au, aha. Children can read with examples. Say everyone with examples. Amma, ఆవు, ఇల్లు, ఈక, ఉడుత, ఊయల, ఋషి, అరు, ఎలుక, ఏనుగు, ఐదు, ఒంటె, ఓడ, ఔషధము, అంకెలు, అంతఃపురం. Children, these are the examples. Now we are going to see the what are the aha after. What are the letters aha after? See children here, aha after is ka, kha, ka, kha. Children can read out once again. E, U, aru, e, I, o, au, aha after ka, kha. Say again, ka, kha. Say children once again can read out. E, U, aru, e, I, o, au, aha. Letter aha after? Yes. Ka, kha. Ka, kha. Say children, can read out with examples. Amma, ఆవు, ఇల్లు, ఈక, ఉడుత, ఊయల, ఋషి, అరు, ఎలుక, ఏనుగు, ఐదు, ఒంటె, ఓడ, ఔషధము, అంకెలు, Aha, Antahapuram. Say children, what is the letter Aha after Ka? Ka, what is the example? Ka Kamalamu. Ka after Ka. Ka Khadgamu. Here children, these are the examples. Ka Kamalamu. Ka Khadgamu. Ka Kamalamu. Ka Khadgamu. Children, now we are going to learn how to write the letters Ka, Kha, Ka, Kha. Children, drum like S curve for letter Ka. For letter Ka, you have to draw the S curve. Then you have to join here left slanting line. Can draw here right slanting line. For letter Ka. What is the example? Yes, Kamalamu. What is the example for this letter? Kamalamu. Ka Kamalamu. Say children, what is the letter Ka after? Yes, Ka. Ka Khadgamu. See children, here you have to draw like up curve, go up and come again down. You have to go up. You have to come up. You have to take here cut. Come again up. Middle of these two curves, you have to join the standing line. For letter Ka. For letter Ka. Say, what is this letter? Ka. Ka Kamalamu. This is Ka. Ka. What is the example? Yes. Khadgamu. Ka Khadgamu. Children, all of you learn these two letters and share your work in WhatsApp. Thank you.